What up? It's Rocky at AZ 24/7 Performance. I'm here with my boy Gabe, and today we're gonna work on the EM1. I know I've been saying we're gonna get this hatch build, but we need to get the EM1 done first. So let me show you a little bit on the EM1 before we get started. I just got a Speed Factory intercooler set up, and I have my boy Curly Floors out of Phoenix mount up my intercoolers to run around my fog lights. So we're gonna jump in this video here pretty quick, and I'm gonna throw an alternator on this bad boy. Get down today, so I got my parts and I'm all set up, ready to go. So I'm gotta be running back and forth into the toolbox. So let's get this show on the road. Oh no, that's perfect.
You need to game or what?
No, I just like to.
You gotta put on that hatch to make you hear some life real quick, man.
The hatch
Give me some life, yeah. You work hard.
Oh yeah. Just let it sit right there.
That thing's gonna be.
Let's just let it sit right there.
Oh my! Get a good. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Dude, she needs.
By a 3-piece.
You're gonna be in love with that. That's gonna be a whole other project.
It's actually getting that bumper. I have an OEM bumper for this one.
Well, you're up in that bumper.
That bumper is going on there. Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
So, one day, give it a couple months.
Here,
You
show
know
me.
what to pay.
Jerry built. We're going to your house. We're going to get 3-piece from you, buddy.
Yeah, Jerry built. That's gonna be who I'm getting my front end from, my 3-piece. Gonna be Jerry built. He's out in Cali. deal with this Hondas over here.
Oh yeah.
But the up and down right. That's it. So. So,
we have to go get the other bolt for the other hardware.
we're gonna get another bolt, and we're probably gonna conclude this for today. I'm gonna come back, and we're gonna put the bumper on, and we're gonna do what we're gonna do. But I gotta run and grab some hardware, and I'll shoot another video for the alternator, so I get some more videos out there on YouTube. So I'll see you guys in a few. All right, we're back at it again. All right, I got the bolt. Intercooler's mounted up. You can see we're good. So it's nice and sturdy. It's not going anywhere. We're gonna get that bumper on. We're gonna call it a day today. And we'll be on the next video installing the alternator. That boy back on. I'm not sure. Did I show them welds in the video? They were pretty clean. You guys want to see the welds up close? Let's show the welds up close real quick. I mean, I am practicing, but I've been getting a little better. Welds from the front to the bottom, you can actually see penetrating on the bottom. That bracket is not going anywhere. Neither is that one. So, just want to show off my little weld skills. Getting good. I kind of thinking about getting a little welder from Harbor Freight, TIG welder. Start doing some aluminum welding and see if I get good, make my own setup. One-stop shop here. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today. Check it out. Not too bad. Cannot see the video on it, but it looks pretty good, guys. See if we can get down. Sticks out a little bit, but not bad. All right. So again, guys, this is gonna be my first video on YouTube. If you can like, subscribe, follow me. We're gonna be building this hatch here from the ground up for drag. Going with the EG subframe. Not sure if I'm gonna gut or if I'm gonna keep full interior. Hoods are gone, fenders are gone, headlights are gone. Probably that wing is gone. Probably gonna restore these rims. I'm gonna show you guys some GSRs, get some money back for some track wheels. Or maybe swap them out with the Tegra out there. Alright guys, again, Rocky at AZ 24/7 Performance. See you guys.